After upgrading to iOS 17 public beta on your iPhone, you might have heard time spotting. What exactly new? You will definitely notice the update the first time someone leaves you a voicemail. Your iPhone screen will light up with a live transcription of whatever they said. You will also notice something new when someone calls you and the phone displays their custom contact poster. In iOS 17, Apple will let you dedicate what shows up on the screen of someone's iPhone when you call them. This is lot better than making you go in and manually add photos for all your close friends and family members. Now they can be represented however they want, and that includes you. Whether that's with your smiling headshot, your favorite memes, or even a fun emoji, there are plenty of options for customization, the photos and the styling of your name. You will see a splash screen inviting you to enable these new features when you first open the phone app after updating, but you can create and update your contact poster anytime from the Contacts app. Scroll to the top after opening the app and tap on My Card option. You will now see the updated contacts interface. Go to the contact phone and poster option and then the edit button. You will now enter a screen similar to the lock screen editing mode, and just like with the lock screen, you are free to create as many contacts poster as you want using the plus button. You can scroll through all your available posters by swiping horizontally. Tap the customize button to start editing a new poster. From there, you can choose a photos, emojis, or a monograph from the option presented on the bottom of the screen. Once you choose the photo, you can swipe horizontally to change the style. Tap on your name at the top, change the font and the font size. From the menu, you can disable the depth effect if you want. That is where your portrait mode photo will overlap with your name ever so lightly. Lastly, tap the done button to save your poster. Tap the continue button. You can then choose to update your contacts photos as well. That's what shows up in Message, the Contact app and other places. And there you have it. Your brand new contact poster is ready to be shared with the world. Now you have to just call someone.